Welcome to a calculus class. Our topic is implicit differentiation, all right? We are working in the find derivatives using implicit differentiation. Our first problem is find the derivative of y with respect to x. Our problem is x equals 2y to the second power minus 31. What is the derivative of the y, okay, or the y? So we have to find the derivative of the y. Before, we have to remember a functions y or the function y of the variable may be given in one of the two ways, explicit or implicit. We have to talk about this way, explicit or implicit. So this is for you, remember. So implicit function y or the variable x satisfies an equation between x and y in both when which is not insoluted. So here, how simplify? Here, when x and y in which y is not isolated, right? So that means implicit function. So we have to differentiate a function with respect to the y. So differentiation both sides of the equation. Solve it for y. So for y prime. So we have to use the formula. This formula we have to find when you solve for y prime, we have to differentiate here. Y prime, right, 2y prime, the following, we have to use this formula. Y like this equals n y n minus 1 y prime. So this is the formula that we have to use it, all right? So let's try to work in a problem. This is more simple. So the equation x equals 2y to the second power minus 31, all right? Define y as an implicit function of the x since y is not isolated, right? Y is not isolated. So that's right. Define y prime. First, we have to differentiate it both sides. So let's write for the equation. Let's write here x. This mark is our work. Let's write x equals 2y to the second power minus 31. So here, x prime, remember the formula, equals 2y to the second power minus 31, like this. So now, next step, x to the x prime equals 2y 1 minus 31, right? So we have here 1 equals 4y1. See? So now here solve for we have to solve for y. When we are here, we have to solve for y prime. Make sure all terminals that is include y prime. adding solid in one side to the equation, then divide the coefficient of the y prime. So let's go and do one more step here. We will have, let me write right here, 4, let's write 4 y prime equals 1, right? So y prime equals 1 divided by 4 for y. So this is the answer, all right? Now, another thing about the implicit differentiation. So that's it for this problem, okay? Just, it's not hard, just make the process. Now we have to, let's find the tangent here. Find, how find the tangent lines in here, in this problem. Using implicit differentiation, okay? Of course, yes, using okay. So first, let's write here, find the slope over the tangent this is our problem. Line to of x equals 4y 3 minus 9 negative 5 comma 1. All right, remember the equation is solid. The y is solid. It's not in the left side, not by itself. So it's y is not solid. I mean, it's not solid. Now let's do the step by step. So we have then x again equals 4 y3 minus 9. So the same process that I did before, x prime equals x1 right here, 4y3 minus 9, and then again right here x, simplify, divide by single right here, 4y3 minus 9. Okay, so then this is will be equals 1 equals 12 y2 white. See, next step, next here, so plug it in. We have to plug it in. Which number we have to plug it in? X is equals negative 5 at the point, and y equals, what is the point? Right here. It's right here. right? Is 1. Then solve for white. So let me use another color right here. This color is not work well. So just write 1 right here equals 12 1 to the second power y prime, right? So now simplify one more step. So 12 y prime right there. Okay, so now divide 1 divided by 12 equals y prime right there. So the slope what is the slope of the tangent? Is 1/12 as the solution, right? Very, very, very simple, easy problem. That's it for today. Implicit differentiation. I want to see you on my class on Monday at 3 p.m. Also on Thursdays 3 p.m. I am here for try to help you in mathematics. This class is for high school, calculus high school. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much.